All right, today we're going to bring a safe box, and this is good for pretty much anything that you want to conserve. This is waterproof, weatherproof. It comes with, it's durable. Let's open it up and see how it looks. So first of all, you guys can see there's two little areas that you unlock it here, open it up. And of course, if you want to lock it, it does have that lock area here that you could able to lock it. That's an option. I like that. It's air sealed in here. Here is where you're gonna add your ammo pretty much. And silica, this is the silica area. So, ammo needs to be preserved. This is one way you can be able to do it. You could take it here, open it up in the bottom. You could add magazines here. The silica will be right in the center. This goes in here. It's going to preserve all the ammo and anything you add in here. You could take this apart. You can actually get your magazine and start loading it up. That's one way you can do that. Just load up all your magazine. We're going to test it out, see how durable it is. So let's go ahead and do that. So you guys can see that. We're going to put it into the water. Sink it in all the way. It floats up. So you guys can see that. I can't push it down. Floats up. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to bring the camera here so you guys can see it. All right, just got it out of the water. Shake it up a little bit. And I'm going to show you guys. It's directly out of the water right now. Brought it over here. Open it up. Oops. Open it up. And look at that. Look at that. Dry. This is perfect. Dry it up. And continue with our test too. So we're going to do a drop test on it. I have this egg here. If you guys can see that. In a Ziploc bag. So in case it gets compromised, it stays, all the contents stay in there. So this is I like to do a test, because if it does fail, it's going to go everywhere and stay in the actual box. So let's go ahead and do a test. So remove all the contents that it has, of course. Keep it as it is. I'm going to see if it can contain the egg, because I don't want it to move around or it's going to crack within its own walls. So without crushing it, there's one, there's two. Let's drop it from up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Open it up. And the verdict is it survived the fall. That's crazy. Amazing. So, box not only did it survive water, but also the fall.